the 2015 Ford Explorer. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, front and rear air conditioning, and cruise control. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.